Welcome back, everybody. With Mother's Day just around the corner, I thought it would be a great idea to go over some Mother's Day gift ideas. I'll start out first with a gift idea if you are looking to just purchase something for your mom. This is the Best Mom Ever Body Care Set by Plant Therapy. This is a great set because it comes with body butter, sugar scrubs, body oil, and a bunch of other great things. Or if you're looking to make something for your mom, we are going to show you how to make a body butter. To show us how to do that, I have my friend here as she has a lot of experience making body butters.
Hi everyone, this is a fun, easy project. You'll just need a few basic ingredients to start. We are going to use shea butter, coconut oil, and typically I use cocoa butter, but today we're going to substitute mango butter. You'll also need sweet almond oil and vitamin E oil, also your favorite essential oil blend. Today we're using a double boiler setup to melt our ingredients. If you've had success with a different method, let us know in the comments. We're going to take our 1/4 cup of shea butter, our 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and our 1/4 cup of mango butter.
And while that's melting, we are going to take a 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil and a 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. We're going to mix those together and pour them in a separate bowl. Next, we are going to add in our essential oils. In the past, we've used Young Living's lavender and stress away. They're grapefruit and peppermint. And I really like Plant Therapy's lemon, bergamot, and orange sweet together. One thing to keep in mind is that some of these oils are not safe to use in the sun because they are considered phototoxic. So I thought it would be a good idea to use Relax since summer is right around the corner. Today we are going to be using a 0.5% dilution rate. This is based on Plant Therapy's recommendation for a product that could be applied to the whole body. Based on Plant Therapy's dilution chart, which I will leave a link to in the description, we are going to be using 36 drops of Relax. And now we just need to wait for our base to melt. This normally takes around 10 minutes or so.
Okay, now we're going to take our melted base and add it to our oil mixture. And you'll want to stir it until everything is mixed through thoroughly. Now that this is mixed thoroughly, we're going to put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Generally, you'll want to leave this in the fridge until it's firm but not solid all the way through. But if you were enjoying that bottle of wine for a little too long like we were, you might have to let it sit out for a bit and stir it so that it's soft enough to whip. So we'll just stir this up a little bit so that it's easier to whip. Okay, so now we're going to mix it until it's about whipped cream consistency. Now all that's left is to put it in a jar and give it to Mom.
And there you have it, a great DIY Mother's Day gift. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything on this essential journey.